Starting around 05 August 2023. Pretty Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in very most recent 1 hour, in a quite enormous manner. SLP basically has a truly all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which really is very huge. This in every practical sense makes Truly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, positioning at 315 in the digital currency market, which essentially is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the essentially Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023. What will commonly Smooth Love Mixture truly be truly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is for the most part Smooth Love Mixture a very wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Will SLP cost by and large outperform its untouched high, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking? These generally are our Truly Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, exhibiting that assuming you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the especially Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023. What will genuinely Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense be most certainly worth in 2023? Which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the Truly Smooth Love Mixture estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP value sort of is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $0.002. The normal extremely least value worth of sort of Smooth Love Elixir, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to sort of be $0.002, which is very critical. In addition, SLP can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $0.002. SLP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of essentially Smooth Love Mixture generally is gauged to in a real sense be at around a very least worth of $0.002, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Smooth Love Elixir value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0.002, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, or so they generally thought. SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, really Smooth Love Elixir most certainly is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.002, which all things considered is very huge. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.002, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for really Smooth Love Elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, exhibiting that on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the kind of Smooth Love Elixir cost forecast finish of 2023. What will sort of Smooth Love Elixir by and large be truly worth in 2023 in an in every practical sense huge way? While the typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.002 in an in every practical sense significant way. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of most certainly Smooth Love Elixir most certainly is in every practical sense anticipated to by and large arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.002 and an especially least of $0.002. Further appearance how the SLP cost could essentially arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.002, with the all things considered normal cost around $0.002 in an in every practical sense significant way. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Truly Smooth Love Elixir in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, which especially is genuinely critical. While in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.002. Smooth love mixture pretty past value examination and in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto in a real sense has been by and large diminished by 1.57% in its essentially current worth, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we sort of look at the kind of current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap basically is additionally down, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture sort of is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, which really is very huge. The SLP really is down to nearly 5.41% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, especially further appearance. How SLP by and large has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520 in an especially enormous manner. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past by and large couple of days. The coin could for the most part have kind of solid basics in any case. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, which certainly is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP by and large diminished by 48.160%, wiping out an incredible for the most part normal amount of $0.001 from its truly current worth, or so they thought. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a sort of good sort of purchase an open door for kind of fast venture, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 47.33%, and the cost in a real sense, circled from an in every way that really matters, least sort of normal cost of $0.003 to in every way that really matters, greatest sort of normal cost of $0.003 in the especially beyond 90 days. Showing that inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in every way that really matters diminished by 48.160%, dispensing with an astounding truly normal amount of $0.001 from its exceptionally current worth, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture by and large is somewhere near 24.79%, with the extremely greatest sort of typical cost of the coin sort of was around $0.002, and the sort of least in every practical sense, normal cost of certainly was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months, which essentially shows that very smooth love elixir, SLP, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of especially smooth love elixir especially is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a for the